Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys a new printing technique, and it's called DTF printing, also known as direct to film printing. And maybe you guys have heard about it before. It's pretty new but very popular because it can bring more possibilities on textile printing. It can be applied to many dark color and light color fabrics such as nylon, polyester, cotton, canvas, linen, felt, leather, and etc. And the transferred results are very amazing. Here are some items we made. This is a leather placemat, felt eyeglasses, a black cotton t-shirt, a white polyester t-shirt, and a black cotton tote bag. And as you can see, the colors are very bright and vibrant, and they can be fully presented even on a black cotton t-shirt. And the printing image has a very soft and smooth texture, and it's breathable and stretchable. And also it's very long-lasting and resistant to washing. The whole process of DTF printing is very easy to master. It requires a special DTF printer, inks, powder, and transfer film. The film is called DTF film, which is the abbreviation of direct transfer film. And it's the media you print your picture on, and we have A4 and A3 sized films for you to choose. The A4 size can meet most of your transfer needs, while the A3 size allows you to print larger format images onto larger items. And after printing your image onto the film, you need to cover it completely with the DTF powder. Then you need to melt the powder in heat. You can use an oven, a heat press machine, or a heat blower gun to melt it. And then you can transfer the image onto any fabric item. Sounds very interesting, right? Next, I'm gonna show you the whole process, so keep watching. So do you guys like the amazing results brought by the DTF printing? This technique is very easy to master and beginner friendly, and it doesn't require any pre-treatment or the highly demanding A to B paper transfer, and it's very low cost, time-saving, and capable of high productivity, and it can work on many fabrics with amazing transferred results. It's definitely a well worth investment with the best value for money. And if you want to order the DTF consumables right now, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. Or if you have some questions about this technique, you can tell us in the email or on the comments below. And please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.